right, so here is our brand new closet, and just finished this really today. Finished putting all the shelves in. This is Amy's side and the back of the closet, two nice big shelf units there, and then this is my side, and yeah, so that's it. So we've got a cedar shelf on each side with a stainless steel clothing rod to hang stuff from, and then everything else is 3/4 inch maple plywood, and we decided not to stain the plywood because it looks really nice and it's just natural, has a real nice natural grain. So we did 3 coats of polyurethane on all the plywood, and that took a while, but it came out really nice. And then we've got little holes for adjustable shelving. So I made all those holes with a shelf pin jig. And then the middle shelf on each unit is fixed in place to give it stability. And then the 2 back units here. Originally this closet had 2 big particle board shelving units that were equally sized. But we had to put in this radon mitigation system that you see up here. There's a PVC pipe behind this pine here. That's the pressure gauge that we can check to make sure it's still working. And then down in the floor, there is a pit underneath the brick, a gravel-filled pit. So there's a fan up on the roof above here, and that sucks or creates a negative pressure, basically, that sucks the radon out from underneath the house so it doesn't percolate up into the house, and brings our radon levels way down from what they were, which is great. And because we did that work, we had to reconfigure the closet because the original shelving wouldn't fit in the back anymore, and just decided to take that opportunity to redo the whole thing and make it really nice. We did salvage the cedar shelves, but that's about the only thing that's original here. And there was actually a lot more cedar that we ended up putting into the guest bedroom closets. So we had just enough left. Actually, we have a little bit left over too. Anyway, that's it. That's our new closet. Pretty psyched. And the only thing I haven't figured out is what to do in this space here. Originally I was gonna just put some little shelves back in here, but I think I might have a couple longer shelves across that and then hang belts or whatever on the wall. We'll see.